Natural lighting. Oh, great. I didn't mean to turn it back on, but... Hello guys. I'm introing this. Hello, how you going? If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna start. I am dyeing my eyebrows and I just thought I'd honestly come on here and show you how I do it. So I'm just grabbing some pawpaw ointment and putting it on a Q-tip and tracing the outline of where I don't want the dye to go. So this is just like a barrier, and if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just kind of putting it on the outside of my eyebrows. Okay, so pawpaw ointment, then I grab I'm using Reflecto Seal, natural brown, number 3. I grab my clear pot to put it in. I put literally just put like a tiny bit in the bottom, like a pea-sized amount, like that. Always put the lid back on this because it will dry out and then go all yuck. Then I'm just grabbing my antioxidants. Looks like someone is pulling into our driveway and I don't know who it is. And then I'm putting in the antioxidant cream to mix with it. And you just put in a few drops. So I'm just stirring it around, getting all the clumps out and make it into like a little paste. I find that paste's easier than used, kind of like this. It's all mixed up now. I'm just gonna start, to be honest with you. I'm gonna start with a whole lot and just go. I'm gonna grab my mirror and just probably do it like this. Woo! I love dyeing my eyebrows. I've got to get some more. I used to have all the colours, so they've got dark brown, black. I actually still have black, but I can't tint my own eyelashes, so that's a pity. But I can also tint other people's, so that's always fun. I actually love tinting people's eyebrows and stuff, so once I've done this, I always just kind of push them back so I know that it's gotten into all the brow hairs. Like that, and then just push it back. And you can clean them up, but since I put that shit on it, it's okay. I'm just gonna do the other one, finish this off. So I know you might think this is like real messy, but like I said, we've got that base down. Oh, great. Grab a Q-tip and clean that off and keep going. But yeah, since we got that base down, we don't have to stay so neat. If you're doing it freehand like I do sometimes, because I want them to be very bold, you would then. I like to put the barrier down and just go ham and go real quick, you know. So I went to beauty school and they taught us how to dye eyebrows, and I used to have blonde, before dyeing them, I used to have blonde ass eyebrows. So when I went there, I was like, yes, I am so going to be doing this and taking it for myself. Now, I've got a bit of product left. I'm going to grab 2 Q-tips and clean up just because I don't like looking at them like this. And then I can also see where else I've missed. So I'm just going to do that. I might check this eyebrow. So, what I do is grab a clean Q-tip and then you just kind of flick it up the top. See if you like any outgoing. I'm going to wipe out some of the front first. So it's got that faded ombre look. Like that. And I'll leave the tails in for a little bit longer. And I'll leave this one on for a bit longer too. And I'm just gonna grab baby wipe and clean it. Normally what you're meant to do is like bath it with water, but because I'm doing it to show you guys, I'm just doing it like this. I normally always have the problem with leaving it on for too long, so I might just check it. I like to just grab a Q-tip and like do what I just did, if you saw that, kind of like roll it. And then I like to just grab my baby wipe and come in and like that. I'm not in love. There's something that's going on, not sure what. But that's one eyebrow. I don't think I left it on long enough that I normally do. Let's check how this other brow's doing. Done. That's so much better. I might actually sit here and fiddle around with them a little bit more. Put some more in. There we go. Perfect. And that's what I do for my brows. That is literally it.